loves, and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Kiki. If you're also a returning subscriber, welcome back. I am so happy to do another video like this because it's been a while. And guess what, guys? I am here to bring you the goodies that I bought for myself. Yes, I bought them for myself. And you know why? Sometimes it's just good to treat yourself. So anyways, I've been always looking for these tiny bags from Louis Vuitton. And the funny thing is, it has not been an easy journey. I tried to buy them online from last year. I put them on the basket. I could not check them out. I wake up the next morning, can't do the same. I went to Amsterdam, Louis Vuitton in Amsterdam. I was told, no, you can't get them. They're out of stock. You know, you cannot pre-order. Went to Brussels, same thing. Went to Antwerp, same thing. I don't know. I've just gone almost in every city that I went to visit. I was trying to get these tiny bags, but it has not been easy. I've been seeing people unboxing them on their TikTok, unboxing them on their Instagram, unboxing them on their YouTube. I'm like, oh my God, they're so lucky to have a hold onto these tiny bags. But anyways, I got lucky this time and I bought all of them online, but I had to pick them up at the store. So one I picked in Antwerp, and the other one I picked in Brussels because I don't know, I just wanted to do that. It's safer than getting it through post office. What if it gets lost and then you have to, like, you know, follow up? I don't want all that stress. I would rather check it out but then go pick it up at the store. First of all, this one that I'm about to unbox right now, I tried to get it I bought it online, and then I got an email notification that I will put up here. It showed that I could wait up to 4 to 6 months, something of sort. I had to wait for quite a long time for me to get it, but lucky enough, like I think almost 2 months, I got an email and then they said, hey, your bag is ready, you can pick it up at the store in Brussels. And I couldn't wait but go and pick it up. And funny thing, months later, I am unboxing it right now. I was just so happy to get them but not so quick to open them up because I was looking for the perfect time to make this type of video. But I've just been so busy during this summer, and it's okay. Let's unbox this, my darlings. Here we go, darlings. Here we go. This is my most favorite part, just to open this. It makes me really happy. Okay. Every girl deserves this, honestly. So here we go. Oh, that sound, so good. Yes. Here we go. So small, really small. So here we have our bag. Comes in a dust bag. There we have the dust bag. And ta-da! We have my Speedy. Oh my God, I can't wait to wear this bag. You know what, guys? Even if God gives me a daughter in the future, I'll just keep all of this for her because she has a mommy. She will have a mommy with a very good taste. You know what I mean? So yes, it comes like this. I love this. I love the bag. It's really beautiful. Very beautiful and so small. Let me show you how it looks like on my body. There's the bag as a crossbody. Amazing. I love the fact that Speedy, you know, you can put so many items on a Speedy, and you know, I've seen it on many other videos. I don't own a Speedy, so this is basically my first Speedy bag, and I'm really excited to get a hold onto it. Amazing. Just amazing. Wow. I love it. So here we have the first one. You guys will not believe it. How much was it? I will put it on the link down below because I think it depends with where you are. So that one was 1,500 euros. I got it for 1,500 euros, and I always like to write notes for myself. I think this is the fun part of shopping online. Is, oh yeah, you get this, of course. You get that. It's for saying thank you for shopping with us. Wait, I got a letter for myself. Invoice. Huh. Where is it? Or it's this? Yeah, I think so. Oh yeah, here it is. Let's put this on the side. It's here. says, I wanted you so bad. It's true. I wanted the bag so bad. I traveled across just to get it, and it seemed almost impossible. I almost gave up, but it's nice that I didn't give up. I always was checking online if I could have it, and I did. So we have the second bag here, and with the second bag I think I also wrote a note for myself. This is the fun part of shopping online, honestly. You can write yourself these notes. This one says, I love you. Oh my god, guys, the other one, I do love it, honestly. I mean it. This other one, oh my god, oh my goodness. Comes in a tiny bag, really tiny, you know, small. I mean, good things come in small packages. Not all the time, but sometimes. This is a micro. It's a micro speedy. This is a micro. It was 720 euros. There we go. We're opening up the micro. You might think I have sunglasses in here, but it's really not sunglasses. Here we go. This is so small, like small. Look at that. Oh my god, guys. See that? Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh my god, it's a collector's item, by the way. This is something when you buy, I don't think you will regret, because you can always, you know, you can give it to a child. You can even hang it here like this, so that it's like two accessories, because you can literally open this up here. You can remove something, I mean, like this handle from the clasp, and then like connect it together like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. Tiniest. I'm so happy, guys. I'm really happy. These bags, you guys have no idea. Even getting this one was so difficult. It was really difficult. I entered into several Louis Vuitton stores asking for it, and they were like, no, we don't have it, no, we don't have it, no, we don't have it. But I was so lucky. Me and my bags. Well, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching the video up to this point. It was not a long video, but a fun video because these are my tiniest Louis Vuitton bags, and I'm so excited to have them. Anyways, if you have any questions, just write me a message on Instagram. I will always answer you back. Also, kindly subscribe, share this video to your friends so that you can have some fun. And if you get shoes, let me know, how did your bag hold up into, you know, like whatever that happens when you buy a bag, like the heat. What can you store inside? Maybe you'd like me to make a video and show you what would fit into this tiniest bag. Literally, guys, you can carry with your hand like this. It's so small. It's so I feel like I haven't shown you guys like how it fits me in person. The tiny one is literally so tiny. Look at the comparison of the two. Is that and this that. Look at that. It's like, I would wear this, I would literally wear this like when I'm going for dinners, and the only thing I need is just the house key, or the only thing I need is nothing, because you know, nowadays you can just walk with your bank. You don't even need to walk with your bank card, like for those dinners, tiny dinners, and you're just like, you put it on top of the table. I mean, people would just laugh because it's literally so tiny, but I would wear it. I'm that crazy. I would wear it. Why wouldn't I? It's really cute and pretty. And this one, it's also small but cute. But I have a feeling this one would fit in so many items, and maybe sometimes just accessorize and put this one on top. You know, I love this type of bags. I've had my Alma for quite a long time now, and it has served me a lot. So let me bring my Alma. You can also go and watch the video where I was unboxing the Alma, like I think 2 years ago. I also got some perfume samples from Louis Vuitton. There were actually 4 of them. One of them I've already used it, so I don't know. I have this one. I have some perfume samples. I think this one is called, I don't know, it's in French, guys. I can't read that in French. I have that one. It's show you the next one. They're all in French. I can't read French. There we go. And then I have this. Honestly, the best part about all of this is I got my essay in Antwerp and also in Brussels, and they told me like if I want any bags I should just let them know in advance, then they can always check it for me instead of me buying online, which is also okay. I also love shopping online because sometimes you just, you know, you order from your comfort zone and it just makes everything so easy, and I love that. I also wanted a perfume. There's one perfume I got as a sample in Paris like a year ago, and it smelled so good and it lasted for so long, but it's a limited edition. They told me I could always order it, but I can't order it online because you can't find it, but I can always order through the store. So my Alma is here. This is my Alma. This is, I've forgotten the name. It has a name. I bought it in Paris as well. They're all cute, honestly. If I put all of them together like this, they all look so nice in their own way. But the problem I have with the Alma literally you can't fit so much in it, and the problem sometimes is closing the zipper. When you're closing the zipper, when you put in so many items on the Alma, you find like the zipper doesn't close very well, and you feel like you might destroy the shape of the bag. And people have talked so many good things about the Speedy, and that's why I got the Speedy. But I didn't want a big bag because I'm also a petite girl, and a petite girl never looks good with like literally very big bags. So for me this is amazing. Yeah, and this one has also served me a lot, but I don't want to like use it so much because it's also a runway piece that I got in Paris, and I just want to maintain it. So yeah, here we are with my tiny bags. Love it. Honestly, to have all of this, because you know what, like sometimes in life you work so hard and it's also good to reward yourself every once in a while. It's not so bad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, it's really small. Anyways guys, I'll see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching up to this point. Love you.